Okay. But anytime, pwede ka pa rin bumalik, ha?
Thank you.
Sabihin mo sa kanya how she was always nice to me back then.
Ma'am, naalala ko po kung gaano po kayo kabait kay Gabriel noon.
I was really fond of him. Parang anak ko na kasi siya.
Lagi nga niya po kayo nakakwento eh.
I miss him.
I miss you too, Mama Liz.